I'll get with you soon. I just got to pick up a few more leaves. Hold up. Now that one's... I got to call you back. Okay, bye. Whoa. Now that is huge. Mission locked in. Whoa. Perfect place to stop. Almost there. Whoa, something's doing some stuff over here. The goal's near. Oh yeah, so we made it. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Almost forgot. Selfie time. Yo, have a blessed day, yo. Thank you for joining me here on YouTube. Sorry about the excess noise, but we are out here in Midwest Illinois. So I want to give back, and the theme is fall accessory. The beautiful colors of the leaves, these leaves, this pumpkin, which we grew at the Powe farm, but this is an accessory too. You want to spray on a little cologne, you want to smell fresh, or you want to smell like the outdoors or the woods or the Stetson man or the tabooey. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, leave a comment on what is your favorite fall accessory. That's it. That's all you got to do. I ain't asking you to go hop, hoop and save the world, because only Jesus Christ can do that. But since you are here, we want to give something away to you for being such a blessing to our life. Just make sure you subscribe, leave a comment. What's your favorite fall accessory? It might be a lawnmower, because that John Deere that they rolling on right there is excellent. But thank you. I hope you're blessed. Have a blessed week. Have a wonderful Monday.